makes me very proud, of course. I know it would make my parents extremely proud to see how many people and the kinds of people that have been honored with this award through the years. Community is the important part of that phrase. The things that have been done by the people we are giving the award to have really benefited an entire community. And the Healthcare Foundation obviously recognizes that, recognizes the importance of giving to people you don't know, giving to groups that benefit people that you don't know, but that really affect the health of the entire community that we live in.
First about Bob, he's the most generous person you'll ever meet. He's very special. Very good friend.
When you have them together, they have such a long commitment to each other. And they've been together for a long, long time. They were high school sweethearts. And they carry that with wherever they go.
I don't know, they have an energy between them that's very special.
Well, they have big hearts, and it shows. They're generous, almost generous to a fault, we've always said, because they're so giving.
Well, you know, he's really into this affordable housing thing. He really wants to get that going. And he's working really tough with the county to do that. And he'll work on it as long as he can. He's an asset wherever he goes, so whatever he has to do, he'll do it well. Bob always wanted to have a winery, so this land became available through a lot of negotiation, so he started to build it over here, complete winery. Then when he got into it, he really got into it.
And so what I have seen evolve is that they got into the growing business, and then they morphed into this beautiful winery.
Bob and Sandy understand the basics of why housing matters for health, and the choice that they make with all of their heart is to change lives for the better. Bob is extremely thoughtful, strategic, creative, unafraid, and all in. Sandy can see right through you. Sandy can see good. She can pick it out, and she goes right to it like a magnet.
To be honest with you, I think it's wonderful that Bob and Sandy are so humble about their generosity and philanthropy. I think they really recognize and admire the heart in our community and really love that. That's what drew them here in the first place. And they're just so down to earth about what they've done and what they've accomplished and what they've given back to the community. I think that that's really admirable.
I first met Bob and Sandy at an art installation dedication on Healdsburg Avenue. It was a small pocket park that was being put in. They were planning to do the Sorrento Square project across the street and became immediately interested and enthusiastic about the inclusion of art in their project for the betterment of the community and the joy of the homeowners in that area. But Bob and Sandy build community in a quiet way. They're in the background people. They're low level. They're what I call real, authentic. Some people call that humble. They quietly build community. They are involved in art. They're involved in healthcare. They're involved in home building and community building and education. But all of those are done quietly, and it's only at this time that I'm realizing the real circle that they create in the community.